Greeting from Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. I congratulate you that you have completed Spoken English 37 practices. Practice is very important. If you want to improve anything in your life, practice is very important. If you are not practicing, you will not getting the result. If you are a student, if you are reading and writing, so it means you are doing more and more practice, so you will be having command on your subject. So similarly in your life, when you started to learn driving, you was not a good driver of car. So with the passage of time, practice, you improve a lot. So similarly, like for example, if you want to learn swimming and you are reading 100 books how to learn swimming, how to improve swimming, how to become a good swimmer, but practically you are not practicing, so what do you think you will improve? I don't think so, because if you are not practicing, you are just reading. And what is happening with students are focusing on their reading and writing in their education system, therefore they don't have a good speaking abilities in English. They are not a very fluent and confident speaker in English. First of all, they have a mindset that I can't speak English. They have convinced themselves. And second thing is that they don't try. They have a hesitation problem. Also, they have good vocabulary, good command on grammatical rules, they have a command on tenses, but they are not practicing to speak English, therefore they are unable to speak English. So now what we are doing, what I am trying my level best to do in these videos, that I am going to ask question, because we are not speaking English in vocabulary or on tenses or on the basis of grammatical rules. I want to give you one example. A person is going to other country like China, Saudi Arab, or Japan. How they are learning language? They are listening there. They are listening people, and they start speaking. How a child is learning any language? Child is not reading, writing, just listening, and then with the passage of time start speaking. So please try to understand. If you want to improve your spoken English, just listen and speak, listen and speak, listen and speak, and you will see the difference. How I improve my speaking abilities, I'm telling you my own example. I started speaking with one of my friend, and he was asking question, I was giving answer, I was asking question, he was giving answer. This was the methodology how we improve. So similarly you can also improve. Now we are going to do, if you are new on this channel, please watch previous video so you will understand what is the methodology. Now I am going to ask the question and you will give the answer. Always try to give answer in more lines. So today we are going to do our spoken English practice number 38. Question number 1. How the topic is sleep, and question number 1, how many hours you sleep in a day? In a day mean like at night, in 24 hours, how many hours you sleep? What time do you sleep? What time do you wake up? Do you manage to sleep as much as you need? Have you ever suffered from insomnia? Insomnia means sleeplessness. Insomnia means sleeplessness. Do you talk in your sleep? Or do you know any person who talk while sleeping? Do you normally oversleep? Like you sleep more and more, like 12 hours in 24 hours, 14 hours, 10 hours. Do you need an alarm clock to wake up? Do you fall asleep while watching the TV? Do you remember your dreams? Do you have recurring dreams? Tell us about any of your good dreams. Do you know any person who walk in sleep? What is your opinion? How many hours a person should sleep at night? What is your opinion, people or youngster who sleep less? Is it dangerous for their health? And less sleeping also effect on their study performance? What is your opinion about it? What do you think, if a person is sleeping 14 hours in a day, is it good for health or this is bad for health? This was our spoken English practice number 38. What we are doing, first we will complete our all practices, then we'll come on the grammar, because grammar you studied in your whole education, grammar, tenses, vocabulary. So therefore this is very important part. So I congratulate you once again that you have completed your spoken English 38 practices. Thank you very much. Goodbye.